Alright guys, I got my engine back from the machine shop finally. We're going to try to get it unloaded here and get it set up on the engine stand. Alright, there we go. It's been bored 30 over to get the rust out of the cylinder wall, but you can kind of still see where it used to be right there, but it's smooth now, it's not pitted. I got ARP rod bolts put in it while you had it apart, and he surfaced the block. Alright, here's my cam. Stage 3 turbo. Go ahead and slap her in there.
Shove it in there.
Alright, we had to make a little parts run. I had the wrong retainer plate. This one's got the recessed holes in it, and I needed just a regular one. This one's prettier. Alright, we got the oil pump on there. Now we need to take it off and get the back cover on and the flex plate. Alright, now I'm getting ready to install my new pan I got. Had to get a shorter pan because that stock one was really long and it hung out from underneath the truck there, so I was afraid I was going to hit it on something. So I got a shorter pan here and hopefully this will work out. Well, my battery died in the GoPro, so I missed some of this, but I got both of the heads on, got them torqued down. I still got to put my push rods and rockers in, but other than that, it's pretty much complete. Got the old pan, flex plate, and all on. So it's almost ready to put back in the truck, and it's boost prep. So I got the rings gapped at I had the machine shop gap them at 26, and then the bottom ones I got at 28. And we got this Texas Speed Stage 3 turbo cam in it, so should be ready for some boost whenever I save up and get a turbo and stuff. And we're probably gonna ride around NA for a while, so. But anyways, that's all I'm gonna get done today. So till next time, see.